So, you've built a stunning, optimized website for your business. Let me guess how it works. Your marketing team devotes every day driving visitors and turning them into leads, and your sales team spends its time collecting, qualifying, organizing, and chasing those leads. Not very efficient. Marketing wants to get on with what they do best, building and executing creative campaigns. And sales wants to focus on what they do best, selling your product. So how do you make both teams happy? Well, the solution is marketing automation. By automating all the repetitive processes, you enable your teams to focus on doing what they do best, bringing in your customers and making more sales. You align marketing with sales and empower both teams to increase ROI and revenue without wasting time on manual drudgery. So how does marketing automation work? Imagine you're selling a personal fitness play package. Thousands of people visit your website with various levels of interest. Unfortunately, 98% of those visitors won't be ready or willing to buy right away. So how do you capture their interest? With lead generation. Let me show you how it works. When someone visits your site, you offer them a free download under top 10 in morning exercise routines. To download, all you have to do is give you their email address and a few other bits of personal information. And that's it. You've just captured or generated a new lead. Once you generate a lead and they match your specific conditions, they're added to a personalized email drip campaign designed to gradually warm them up from cold lead, someone uninterested in your business, to warm, someone who's sales ready. Here's how you get set it up. One day after downloading your exercise routines, your workflow automatically sends them an email with your killer abs in 10 minutes video. 2 days later, it sent them your top 10 healthy fitness recipes blog post. A few days later, it sends the Create a Personal Fitness Plan checklist resource. By nurturing your customers in this way, you develop a relationship as well as engage them with your business and your product, gradually heaving them up as leads. Then, you strike while the lead is warm, offering them what you know to be key to conversion. For instance, you know that most people purchase your workout package after attending your webinar. This is what we call an aha piece of content. So at this stage in a workflow, your leads are invited to register for your next webinar, how to plan your best workout routine. After attending a webinar, these leads are now tagged in a database as people who, quote-unquote, watched the planned webinar, and can automatically be sent website content as even more personalized to them. So by now, your lead is likely to be sizzling. This is the best time for the system to automatically import them into a CRM, like Salesforce. Congratulations! With the invaluable help of marketing automation workflows, you have just sold a FAQS package. End of story, right? Nope. Marketing automation has way more to offer. Why not turn this one-time customer into a loyal brain in a basket? Firstly, you can upsell on their first purchase by using in-automation to promote the next version up, the Pro Fitness Plan Pack. Then you can cross-sell necessary or optional accessories, like coaching shakes and other food items to go along with their new clean diet. And finally, you can offer a cycle-based sell. For example, promote the Bikini Training Program to your female customers, a seasonal fitness training program to get in shape right before summer starts. Now your ROI is shot through the roof. By automatically upselling, cross-selling, and cycle selling, you've turned a one-time purchase into a lifelong customer. So you see, marketing automation workflows help you nurture, warm, and ready your leads for a sale, as well as enable you to turn a one-off purchase into a lifelong customer. And they do all of this while saving your team time and boosting customer happiness, and of course, increasing revenue. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!